But yeah, now let's create a new URL for our view, for our like movie details view. Yeah. So let's import movie details. Yes. Movie details. So path, and then we can, we can just put the IMDB ID that we're getting here in our view. Right, IMDB ID, and yeah, that should be our, so movie details, oops, comma, let's put a name, movie, oops, movie hyphen details. Okay, let's save that. Now let's jump to our, let's see, search results. So when we click so here what we're preparing is that when we click on like the search results, just take us to the like movie details, right? So yep, here in the poster, let's put a link here. URL, and then like the name of the URL in this case is movie details, and then here we pass movie dot let me check. Let's do a little search here. Batman. Yeah. IMDb ID. Done. That's it. Save that. And when we go here, let's go back here. And then we refresh Interstellar. As you can see, now we have like this link thing, right? Let's try it. Let's click on that. Oh, let me see. I don't think, did we add that? Oh, let me check. Let me run the migrations, migrations. Yes. Migrate. Yep. All the migration. I just forgot to run the migrations, that's why. Run server. But we need to, let's modify our movie details so we can like see the results, right? Yeah. Let's delete all of that. Goodbye. Because let's copy this one. Let's copy that. Paste it here. Plot content. Paste it here. And then this one ends here. Let's see. Oh no. Because, yeah, let's get rid of the footer. Yeah, this actually ends here. right? Okay, blood content, and here we need to, let's try with the picture, right? That's what we're trying to do. First, we need to create a conditional here for our templates. What is this doing here? If our db, this is our variable that is here, remember? Right? If our db, you can just put is true. If our db is true, it means that we're getting the data from our database. So we're doing that because it's different for each template, right? The source, movie data, dot poster dot URL. That if we were getting the poster from our database, right? If not, else, right? Just copy this one, paste it here, movie data, poster, just like that. Because that with the, we're getting the URL and the poster in our API, so we don't need to put like that URL, etc. And then and if, let's save that and then let's see if it works. Let's refresh. Let's click on our, let's go to, so this is our like folder, so it should create a new folder like media, and then like they put the pictures there. So let's see, click on that. Yep. So this poster is from, if you click on the poster and you click inspect, you will see that we're getting that picture from Amazon, or basically our API, right? If we go back and check again, let's refresh, we should be getting the poster from our database. And then if we go here, you see that we have our media and like movies, and then you can see like the poster that we use that is here. This is from our database, right? Because we just save and downloaded the picture. So the method that we just the save method we just override, right? It's working perfectly. And if you go, actually we need to put it here, let me see, admin from movie models, movie admin site that register movie. Let's create a new super user. Create super user. Create super user. Lara code. Right. If you go to the movies, what? Oh, yeah, we have an error here. Save. Yeah, this should be capitalized. Yeah. Interstellar, the movie. Boom. Oh, and remember like the actors and the categories and like the ratings. As you can see, it's working perfectly. And yeah, it's awesome. Like the poster URL, it's working perfectly. We just need to continue working with our like movie details, and yeah, like here, just put movie data, title, save that. Just copy this one. This is the type. So type, and here can you just put it like that? Here, this is the plot. This is the year, and this is the here. This is the rated. This is the released. This is runtime. This is the categories, right? So for the categories, different, right? Let's just put a space here. Here we need to create another conditional, because it's different for the. So here. And then else, and then and if it's from our database, we have to here. Oops. Here. Oops. We need to create a for turn in movie data that all, right? Because we want to get all, right? And then here we just need to put journ, and then we can put a comma here, right, to separate them by comma. And then N4. Yeah, pretty much. Else, oops. We can copy, oops. Here. Else is, oops. What am I doing? I look like a retarded right now, pretty much. Movie underscore data that you're right. Yeah, that's the two differences. Director stays the same way. Director, also writer. Oh, here we go. Again, this is different for the actors too. So we can just copy all these things. Just copy all these things and paste it over here. Oops. Paste it over here. Right. This is for our actors. 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 That all. Oops, here actor for actor in movie data actors, and then like actor, and for la 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 la. If it's not actors, and then here actors for actors. Yeah. Yeah, same thing. Now let's just copy this one. This is for language. And then, oops, country. Awards, right? Oh, so this collection is the basically the let me see. Oh no, not here. Yeah, I hear it's starting from here. So this collection, like these three ones, are from the IMDB, Rotten Tomatoes, like etc. Right? So we need to check, like for each one, right? Let me see. So how are we going to do that? Very simple. First, we need to check if our DB is true. So if our DB is true, if we're getting our data from our DB, we need to create a for movie in movie data dot ratings dot all, right? And we need to let's put this one here. Let's move all of these two. Let's put it here, because here's where it changes. Yeah. So, and then we create another conditional. Oops. If movie that's source, that's the, let me see, it's no, it's, yeah, it's like source. Make sure that that you have like the same name, right? Equals in internet movie database. Let me check. Internet movie database. Yeah. Internet movie database. Yes. It means that we're getting so here we're putting, so basically here we put the movie dot source. We're doing that because like the icons, it's different. That's why we're doing this. So we have like the icons like separated, right? What with that rating? If we are not adding icons, you don't need to do that. Yeah. La 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 la. Oh. Here, let me check. Static, ing. We need to fix this for the icons. So yeah, that's I was wondering like why it's not loading like the icons in the thing. So here, and then static. Yeah. And then we can just copy this one for this one. Same thing here. And yeah. And then let's copy this one, paste it over here. This is elif movie source Rotten Tomatoes. This is actually not a good idea, like checking the, because what if we have like a misspell or like a typo, it won't work. But let's hope that our database is good. Rotten Tomatoes. Let's paste it here. And if not, let's put else, and then here, and if, right, and then here, the end for this one, because we need another, we need another else. This else is if it's our data is not from our database. Okay, and you will see what we do, which is basically the same thing, kind of. Rotten Tomatoes, la 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 la. Let's copy this one here, and then here. Okay, so if the data is not from our database, is from the actual API, let's just copy this tree. Okay, our 3 ratings that we have. Else, and then so remember that we get like a list. So actually this one is so basically like movie data dot ratings and the position 0, because remember here the position 0 dot source. We just copy this one, paste it over here, ratings 1, and then I paste it over here too, to source, and then here, place it over here. This is the value, and here value, and then here value. Okay. Oh, we need to close this if. Let me see, and it ends here, and if. Okay, let's continue with the data. Let's copy this one. We have the ratings, now the box affix. Space over here, let's check our models. No. Box affix. Box office. And then IMDB boat. Crap. IMDB boat. And then we're missing more information. And then what was that? I forgot. Let me see. Oh, production. Yeah, production. Let's save that. And then if we refresh, let's see, movie. We have this picture in our database, so it's interesting to see if it loads. Oof. Oh. Let me see, we forgot something. If and we have like a typo here, that's why. And here we go. Something is wrong on the movie logo. Let me check. This is from spec element. Movies. That poster, that URL. Oh. So yeah, the media for the movies is not loading because we haven't add the settings here. So from Django.conf import settings, so we can start loading the pictures, and then from Django.conf URLs static, and then import static, and then you just put static settings media URL and document root settings media root. And if we restart, we can select the picture. But yeah, it's working great. Yeah, here we have our Lord of the Rings. Let's check this one. It's loading. Then we go back. Then we go, and then yeah, getting our data from our DB. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.